Basically lan pobl, heddi fi chwarae Sonic Unleashed on Nintendo Wii gyda Garyn. Ni'n mynd I chwarae hyn, ni'n mynd I cymryd mewn tro, so pryd fi marw, mae yn mynd I take control o Rhain, ond am nawr fi'n defnyddio Wii Remote a Nunchuck. Mae hyn yn y Wii version by the way. Ni ddim mynd I gweld gyd o cutscenes achos mae fideo yn limited, so fi'n mynd I trio dangos gameplay mwy na cutscenes, so os ti'n mwy story focus, mae hyn ddim yn fideo am ti. Ond fi'n mynd I dechrau off gyda un gyntaf, so no save data, fi'n angen micro un newydd, mae hyn yn just yn random selection o me characters arno a Wii console, so fi'n mynd I dewis un o actual characters o'r game am y save, achos mae just yn hawsach. Start game. So mewn y game hyn, mae'n werehog, mae'n basically hedgehog slash werewolf combined in mewn I un. So mae'n called werehog. So mae fel cycle ble mae Sonic yn troi yn normal mewn y diwrnod, a wedyn pan mae'n troi I nos, mae'n troi yn fel hwnna.
Ie, fi cofio gwylio fel ffilm pethau o'i sef yn ôl.
Cutscenes.
Na, ddim cutscenes yn fel pan mae troi...
Mae yna character newydd.
Ie.
Mae dim ond mewn y game hyn. Mae nhw yn Chip. Wel, mae Sonic wedi nickname o fe Chip, ond mae real enw yn rhywbeth Gaia. Fe mewn Light Gaia.
Ie.
A wedyn mae enemy, like final boss yn Dark Gaia.
Ie, rwy'n fi gwylio fel rhywbeth animated. Wel, hwn yn animated, ond yr un peth. Pan rwy'n nhw mewn haunted house.
Fi wedi gweld hwnna. Fe actually wedi gweld hwnna.
Ie, mae angen...
A mae Ghost hyn, take o pictures yn nhw.
Ie.
Yeah. Mr. Monster Guy. Acos mae Ed'n actually realise on mae fel hyn. Yep.
Mhm.
Sonic the Hedgehog. Mae dim even cofio. Mae gael like memory wedi gael taken acos roedd
Sonic yn cwmpo arno fe, fi'n meddwl.
apparently roedd rhan, yeah. A wedyn mae wedi cochi rai o memory fe, wedyn mae Sonic troi y stori, mae Sonic yn
Trio helpu e.
Mae cofio pethau along the way, basically. Probably. Oof, I'm hungry. Yep. Sonic never lies. Well, mae werehog probably yn, acos mae dim edrych yn trustworthy, ond pan mae'n actually Sonic, mae'n edrych yn mwy trustworthy, I guess. Acos mae appearance edrych yn... Mae appearance yn edrych yn menacing o pobl, ond mae rai pobl probably afraid of it. Acos hwnna. A nawr mae'n mynd I daylight, so dyna pryd mae Sonic yn troi nôl mewn I regular form. A mae'n weird acos rhaid fi gael no gloves. Mae troi nôl mewn I regular, a mae just yn gain o gloves eto. Mae like magically attached I fe neu rhywbeth. Video game logic.
Ie.
Yn ni'n mynd I gwneud voices, neu... Eich gwneud voice am hyn. Huh? You're the blue and spiky. You are all different, Sonic. Sometimes you're scary and sometimes you are spiky. How cool is that? Alright then, let's go. This is gonna be fun. Adventure, here we come. Let's try to remember actions as we search the town.
Fi'n meddwl bydd fi, dyna fi...
So ni gael fel...
voice o'r Chip.
Yeah. Hey guys! No. My son. No, I'm gonna really horrible. So mae fel little tests right now, so Gary used to controls. Fi actually gwybod nhw though, ond mae ddim, so mae mynd I fod yn dda am air. So mae just... Mae Chip yn basically fel guidance ti am
What did they dab?
My basic... I know. I know, right? So my rhyme missions, my like Pedra Mewn Pob world. Am I also cool? My game hyn yn based off real life, so ti actually on a real life globe. A ti'n mynd I Greece, a popeth fel hwnna.
Okay.
And actually based off pethau fel hwnna, mae'n really cool.
Mae'n meddwl ti'n mynd I dweud mae based on bywyd go iawn, achos mae...
No, Garyn, no.
Achos mae'n mynd I dweud, sut ni'n hedgehog redeg?
Mae hynna based off bywyd go iawn. Wait, what the heck? Beth I fod I gwneud?
Ti angen yn y wings?
Yeah, fi am gallu eto. Ti angen actually clear a mission beth mae dweud off ti I gwneud. And in order I actually beth yw I actually clear a mission. So os ni ddim yn gwybod beth mae wedi dweud achos ni'n stupid a os ni ddim pay attention.
Yep.
Shh. Shh. Go.
Go.
Okay. Pretty simple now. Achos ni wedi gwrando ar mi'n gwaith. Yeah. No problem. So ti gael moon medal mewn daytime, when ti gael sun medal mewn nighttime gyda wehog. Fi'n meddwl maen nhw'n unlock, yeah, maen nhw'n unlock secret areas I ti. No, dim spooky areas, Garyn.
No, fi gwrdd o fel...
Mae popeth yn just yn gwyn.
Go!
Homing attack! Fi gwybod sut I gwneud hyn.
Shake the wheel.
Shake the wheel remote. Rhywbeth fel yna. If you change together homing attacks, you can make it cross places. I can't do it. It takes some doing. Fi ddim gallu gwneud e, man.
Take some doing.
Fi ddim na high pitch it. No problem.
Moon medal.
Now loading. Mae hyn yn a problem gyda Wii version. Mae'n take ages. Am a load times. I thought pretty decent though. Mae rai pobl dweud am reviews my Wii version yn wych na HD version ar Xbox 360 a PS3. Ti'n gallu gwneud thing hyn pan ti eisiau gael Wii remote a mae like sucko ti mewn I rings like light speed dash my code. Yeah, baby. Fi gwybod sut I gwneud hyn. Chip, you know, helpful. Boom!
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Faster, faster, faster.
Sonic Unleashed. Bum bum.
Bum, bum.
Sonic X.
Sonic
X
original hynna.
O Sonic X, mae'n Ti seriously ddim gwybod e?
What, recording
Mae'n
things
anime,
on...
basically.
Yeah, I know.
Basically an anime. Mae'n just... Well, ti gallu cwlio cartoon neu anime. Mae'n up I ti. Lan I ti!
Yeah, fi gwneud...
Press the Z button to do a slide under
Fi
this...
gwylio meme version. Ti'n gwybod pan mae fel Sonic sydd wedi cael ei canu llun?
Nope.
Ti ddim?
No.
Wow. Noob. Falle pobl yn y fideo...
Mae hynny fel boss section. Well, mae dim boss right now. Mae dim actually appear right now. Oh, mae'n boss section. Chip Sharp. Diolch.
Chip Sharp.
No, mae yn event chip agos mae fod fel ac roedd yn hoffi chocolate chip neu rhywbeth. Ddim actually cofio agos roedd yn gael hi fy'n ia. So roedd yn basically Sonic yn dweud roedd yn dweud I like chip a wedyn roedd Sonic dweud rhywbeth fel I'll call you Chip. Whoa, beth oedd i'n gwneud?
Rydw
Oh, man, Antonio!
Oh!
Beth, oedd i'n safio?
Oh, fe? Oh, okay. Yw!
Fi just really exited mas o game somehow. Fi'n stupid! Loading. Dyna pam roedd yn dweud continue game, roedd fi'n dweud na, acos roedd fi'n meddwl continue as in... Oh, yeah, ni ar stage. Never mind. Continue as in continue like training.
Yeah,
O'n i'n actually ar stage now, so I'm doing that. Yeah, the faster you go. A wedyn, os ti'n gael...
3 bars?
No, os ti'n gael... Fi'n meddwl mae'n like rhywbeth fel 30 rings every time to gael extra boost gauge, so mae'n like last a longer, which is pretty nice. Yeah, fel hwnna. 30 levels. Oh,
Headshot.
wall shot. Oh snap.
Aww.
My game hit really fast pace. My Sonic franchise is really there. The office soundtrack my Sonic franchise, my really rolling around at the speed of sound. My hynna dim actually or game him. My Garyn dim really much interest mewn game I fel hyn, ond mae'n dda I fod yn rhan o fideo.
Yeah. The duo.
Nice.
Yeah, ni'n the
Mae rai pobl dim really hoffi Warthog just acos mae dim fel...
Terrifying.
No, like actually dim hoffi y playstyle fe. Acos mae gwahanol... Oh, A-Rag,
Yeah.
nice. Mae gwahanol playstyle na...
Oh. Dim ond da.
Regular Sonic yn chwarae normally.
Yeah, fi wedi gwylio fel let's play o...
Obtain a secret movie
Thing.
1. Check it out later. Nope. Mae yna basically a cutscene.
Yeah. Yeah, fi gwylio'r let's play o game o blaen. Ac Raven...
Sonic soundtrack. O'n nhw'n y Chaos Emeralds acos roedd Eggman yn troi nhw mewn I... Like, mae rhywun like suck o'r life mas o'n nhw.
Gan fi siarad! Wel, fi gwylio let's play o'r thing o game hwn o blaen. Ac, yeah, wel, dyle fi ddim dweud e eto, achos bydd yn spoiler.
Yeah, chocolate chipped and dyna pam mae'n probably enw fe'n chip. Acos roedd yn dweud I Sonic roedd yn lyfo chip. I've got itch in the weirdest place. Chocolate chip supreme. Oh, nice. Mae'n dda, acos mae'n os roi rai pobl dim off here.
O, wedi gweld beth bydd fi dweud?
Bydd.
Wel, bydd fi bwyta fe I gyd ac yn dweud bydd ddim off ie.
A wedyn ti'n cael money ti'n ôl y prynu un arall.
Ie.
Wel ti'n gallu gwneud hwnna ddo, ac ti wedi dweud ti dim off here. Neu ti just gallu prynu... No, neu ti just gallu gofyn, like, rhywun sy'n gyda ti I prynu... Chip! Yum! Man fan Chip now. Nickname Chip. This Pokemon nickname is now Chip. Pokemon reference. So now I'm Shady Pobble.
Flower Street.
Oh, hello!
Hello. Alexis.
See, did you feel like Trema? The Trema? Good thing
Trema.
my house is okay. Since the earthquake, the whole town was turned upside down. Do I know anything about you? You only that I've never seen you before.
Oh!
I know. Sorry, all I know is that you don't know you. I don't know you. I can't help you, but I'd bet the
Priest can.
priest can. He knows everything, though he has been
Preoccupied.
Man, that's really hard.
Preoccupied.
Lately, some things on his mind. Maybe you can help him out too. So need literally just shardy Ryan a wed mine. My Ryan who gubbods am Chip. Never seen your mugs around here before. Are you travelers? Huh. Do I know this little fellow? Nah, I can't say I do. I don't think we've met before. Me neither. Old man. I'm a horrible old man impression.
If you walk, do you have a stick thing? Yeah.
No one's around, Sonic. Let's head back, Sonic.
Sunny.
My son all over Shadow.
Yeah, Tom, remember when...
Hello there, good pilgrims. What brings you here? Do I know this fine young gentleman, Sochola?
Scholar that I am.
Horrible word pronunciations. I must admit I do not. My thoughts are filled with the shrine.
Shrine.
What is the shrine? Fi ddim gallu neud voice no. It is a skid place famous.
Sacred. A sacred place famous among
You can
travellers.
read it now if you want, yeah. Since the great trimmer, all the many of strange
Incidents.
incidents have occurred. We have further
Fewer
Tutorials.
tourists.
What? And I fear our town may come to ruin. You have come all this way. May I direct you to our holy shrine? Sure, which way? The shrine is on the edge of town. You cannot go deep inside but enjoy. Really?
Oh, fish with your sacred shrine.
Sacred shrine. There's something I've got to tell you. I come across this when I was walking, so I picked it up. It looks like some kind of medal with a symbol of blazing sun on it.
Ooh.
It's really like it myself, but I might be of use, so I want you to have it.
That sounds
Thanks,
cool.
Chip. Even though you look nothing like a chip. Chip. My chip and fairy. Fairy chip. Chocolate chip?
Theory trip. Trip?
Flying chip?
In a bit of chip.
A pots.
This place is kind of spooky, huh, Sonic? If it was just me, I'd be too scared to go in.
Oh, ba.
That door's closed, Sonic. Maybe that means it'll open now.
So ti gael
Some
drws.
stone.
No, mae ddim yn Pokemon. Mae fel drws sy'n so di mynd mewn daytime, a wedyn mae fel drws arall o fan hyn. Ti'n angen beat o level gyntaf, though.
Opening, huh? There's gotta be a way. Let's look up.
So ti angen gwneud level gyntaf, a wedyn ti symud ymlaen i level arall. Mae just like...
Boom.
Now loading.
Go!
Go!
Ba.
So ti gallu suck o mewn o range.
Dun,
Os ti'n light speed dash, os ti'n shake o wir mewn pam ti boes nhw, a dim trip o Sonic. Os fi curo amser hwnna, fi gael S rank, beth yw y S. Beth mae'n best rank mewn y game. So fi'n mynd i stomp o, so fi'n mynd i trio gwneud hwnna. Fi'n like really shake o wir mewn dim. Mae'n like trio galed. Acos mae'n like really ready as gyflym as possible. Loop de loop.
Reference i'r Gemau hen.
Oh yeah! Original.
Ie, fi chwarae nhw, fe. Fi pob amser marw ar nhw.
Fi'n like literally shake o controlling so many times.
Pob amser ar ôl loop, a fi pob amser marw. Baby,
Boom! Good. Fi di gael bonus item. Neu secret item.
Unrhyw beth item.
Yeah. Mae'n gweithio. Oh, whoa! Brif o arm fi am the rocks.
After wow.
Spin dash. Whoa!
Oes red nhw'n gofyn na. Fi yn bywyd go iawn.
Oh, yeah, mae Sonic yn fastest thing o hyn. Mae basically Usain Bolt. Hedgehog. Yeah, mae Usain Bolt yn y fastest
Usain
person.
Hedgehog.
Mae'n y fastest person alive, mae'n y fastest thing alive. Acos mae ddim...
Creature.
Yeah, basically. I'll try him real, obviously. Boom. Fi gallu gwneud hyn, hopefully. Whoa, fi'n just headman troi y clouds wedyn.
My head's inside the clouds.
Fi hoffi y fact that ti got alternate pathways. Whoa!
Meow.
Oh, whoa. Oh, jeez.
Oh, cheese?
Really? Ti wedi gwneud hynna degwaith na. So mae hyn yn ble mae boss yn. So ti just angen quick step o fe pan mae attack o, a wedyn ti just boost o mewn i fe. Wel, mae'n... Ti ddim angen quick step o, ond mae'n like way house agos ti yn. A wedyn mae just mynd ar ramp and ni switch your places gyda fe. Ni'n also angen keep o line gyda rings ni just in case mae boost gauge ni redig mas. So fi trio gwneud hwnna. Fi efo cerfo o eithaf. So mae'n mynd i marw, acos mae'n edrych fel mae wedi take quite a bit of damage.
Ie, chi gyd gweld fi o'r
Sparks. Oh!
Ie.
Mae amser yn dod lan.
Fi wedi complete fe. Yeah! Oh, mae Donkey Kong.
Na ni just angen make a very diwedd cyn mae hwnna'n reachio hwnna.
Go on, go on, go on, come on,
Please
come
be a diwedd. Mae hyn ddim yn y diwedd. Mae'n extra area. No! Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Please, 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 please.
Speedrun, please! Yes! Gael Frank Evans! Right, so diolch am gwylio. Unfortunately, roedd fe ddim gallu chwarae acos roedd fi just yn take over fe. Oedd yn neis i fod fan hyn, so fi gweld gyd o ti mewn fideo nesaf am y channel. Ni ddim mynd i fod mewn falle mae rhywun arall, so be o hwnna mewn y maen ti, a fi'n mynd i gweld ti gyd mewn fideo nesaf.